Good morning, students. First of all, the class test 2. So look at here. The first question is, who developed Python? Okay, students, raise your hands. Yes, Himanshu.
Sir, Guido van Rossum. Option A.
Rossum. So he is the developer of a Python language. Next is, which of the following are the advantages of Python?
D option, all of above.
Python is a platform independent. It is a free and open source. It is an interpreted language. So answer is all of above. So all of these are the advantages of Python. Next is, which of the following is a high level language? Yes, raise your hand. Harsimar.
So all above.
Yes, all above. C, C++, Java, all of these are high level languages. Next is, Python got the name from the famous BBC comedy show, Monty's Python Flying Circus. Yes, Himanshu, true or false?
True.
So it is a true, because the word Python came from the circus. Next question is, the command to run the Python program is?
Run menu, run module.
Yes, run menu, run module. Next is, the mode in which Python carry out the given instruction and show the result there itself is called. It means in the same mode we type the command and same mode we get the result. In which mode? Kinjal?
Sir, interactive mode.
Yes, it is interactive mode. In a script mode, we will have to make the file, and later on we execute the file and then we get the result. But coding and the output window both are different. Next is, Python uses dash to convert source code to object code. Interpreter, compiler, combination of both, special virtual engine. Yes, Kinjal?
Sir, interpreter.
It is interpreter because it is an interpreted language. Next is, identify the valid keywords from the following. Krish, yes. Sanya, unmute yourself. Yes, Sanya, unmute yourself, beta. Who know the answer of this one? Valid keywords. Himanshu.
Sir, true.
बेटा यहाँ पे मैक्सिमम मिस्टेक्स है. ट्रू अगर कीवर्ड होता, अगर यहाँ पे ट्रू के जो स्पेलिंग होते, that is, look at here, T capital RUE. So here true is not a valid keyword. Salary is not there, local is not there, none is there. Because in none, N is capital, N-O-N-E. O-N-E is small, N is capital. कल मैंने बताया था, it is a special token. Special literal. There are different literal, numeric literal, there are string literals, there are special literals, there are collections, literal collections are there. So this is a special literal. So this is a keyword, none. Next is identify the invalid identifier. Yes.
Sir, 31 age. 31 age. D option.
Yes. Reason is here the identifier name can't be start with the number.
Number.
Yes. So that's why it is invalid. Which of the following is an escape sequence? Yes, Garav.
Sir, all above.
Yes, all above. /A/N/B. All of these are escape sequences. Yes. What will be the size of this string? Harsimar Singh. Harsimar, unmute yourself. Kinjal.
Sir, 15.
Yes, 15. So here slash, then here post office s, here it assumes single one character. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे हो गया ANIKE. ठीक है, एक बाइट कंज्यूम करेंगे, T एक बाइट कंज्यूम करेगा, स्लैश एन कोमा 1 बाइट, S 1 बाइट, स्पेस 1 बाइट, MOBILE ये एक बाइट कंज्यूम करेंगे, टोटल 15 बाइट्स. Next is the special literal that indicate absence of the value. Yes, Jasmine. Arju, unmute yourself. Yes, Kinjal.
So second option, none.
Yes, second option, none. Next is the result of expression 5 divided by 2. But here division symbol is integer division. It is a floor division. Himanshu.
Sir, answer is 2.
Answer is 2. Very good, beta. Next is what will be the expression, output of the expression 4 plus 5 divided by 2? Kinjal.
6.5.
So
It is
6.5.
6.5. Next is the value returned by input function.
String.
String. Values returned, it is string value. Okay, students, in this exam, Kinjal got maximum marks. तो सबसे ज्यादा marks जो हैं वो Kinjal के. So maximum marks is wait
14.
14. ठीक है, और उसके बाद 13 मार्क्स हैं वो दीपक, ईशा, गर्व, हर्षिका एंड अनीशा, इनके 13 मार्क्स हैं. So it means yes, Kinjal, unmute yourself. Kinjal, आपका कौन सा क्वेश्चन रॉन्ग हो गया?
So valid keyword.
It's a valid keyword.
Keyword.
चलो. Now we continue with the topic. Okay, students, yesterday we discussed about there are different type of data types some are mutable, another are immutables. So my first question is, what is the meaning of immutable data types? Raise your hands. Himanshu.
Certain immutable data types are those data types which can never allow change in their value.
In place, okay, in place. So it means in the same memory location, they are not allowed, they never allow the change the value. If we change the value, it change the memory location. Is it clear, Himanshu?
Yes, sir.
No.
Whereas mutable data types are those which allow change in their value.
Yes, they allow change in the value. Now, in yesterday I gave one example, name of the different immutable data types. Look at here. Integer, float, string, boolean, or boolean and tuple. All of these are of immutable in nature. But list, set, and dictionary, these data types are of mutable in nature. Moreover, here we which function is used to see the memory location? Yes, students, please raise your hands. Which function is used to see the memory location of any particular variable? Yes, Deepak. Himanshu.
Sir, L value.
No matter, this is ID function. ID function is used to see the memory location. I am telling about the function name. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Next is, कल हमने कुछ discussion की थी. We can give the value of the variables in the same line. Like, look at here. I take variable A, B, C. If we give the value 10, 20, 30. Now in A, 10 will be assigned. In B, 20 will be assigned. In C, 30 will be assigned. Look at here. A, value is 10. B, value is 20. C, value is 30. It means in same line, we can change the value of different variables. So look at here. If I am giving here, A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20, C is equal to 30. If I'm using here A, comma C, comma B is equal to B plus 5, A plus 10, then C plus 20. Now tell me, what will be the value of new values of A, B, C? Yes, Gaurav?
Sir, A 25, B 20, and C 50.
A 25. So I'm displaying A 25. Yes, value B.
Sir, B 20.
No, it's 50. And value C.
Sir, C 20. C 20. B 50. Sorry.
Okay. I'm going to discuss the what is the reason. बेटा दिस इज ए कंप्लीट कमांड, जितनी देर कमांड एग्जीक्यूट नहीं होगी वैल्यूज चेंज नहीं होंगी। तो सबसे पहले हमारे पास वेरिएबल ए है, ए में हमने b+5 किया, तो b की वैल्यू 20 है, 20 + 5, ए को 25 असाइन हुए पर अभी नहीं असाइन होंगे। रिमेंबर असाइन विल बी आफ्टर एग्जीक्यूशन। अभी उसकी वैल्यू 20, ए की वैल्यू 10 ही है, ठीक है, अभी उसकी वैल्यू चेंज नहीं हुई, इसकी वैल्यू 25 हो जाएगी, ठीक है। नाउ वैल्यू सी, सी की वैल्यू क्या होगी, a + 10, a की वैल्यू कितनी है 10, 10 + 10 इट इज 20। सो सी की वैल्यू अभी 30 है पर उसके बाद सी की वैल्यू 20 हो जाएगी, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट इज वैल्यू बी, बी की वैल्यू c + 20, सी की वैल्यू 30 है, 30 + 20 इट इज 50। स्टूडेंट कंसेप्ट इज क्लियर? यस हर सिमर,
सर एक बार दोबारा रिपीट करना, समझ नहीं आया।
क्या बताता हूँ। हर सिमर ए की वैल्यू कितनी है, यस हर सिमर 10,
10 10
की 20 है, सी की 30 है। जब तक आप इस स्टेटमेंट को एग्जीक्यूट नहीं करोगे वैल्यू चेंज नहीं होगी, ठीक है। तो हमारे पास a की वैल्यू को मिलगी b+5, b की वैल्यू कितनी थी हर सिमर 20, तो b+5 मींस 20 + 5 25, a की वैल्यू 25 हो जाएगी, अभी 10 ही है, अभी चेंज नहीं हुई, पर जब आप एंटर की प्रेस करोगे तब ये 25 होगी। नाउ वैल्यू c a + 10, तो a की वैल्यू अभी कितनी है
10
10, 10 + 10
20
20, तो b की जो c की वैल्यू 20 हो जाएगी, ठीक है। और b की वैल्यू है c + 20, तो c की अभी जो लेटेस्ट वैल्यू 30 है, 30 + 20 50।
50
तो आपने ये नहीं कहना कि यहाँ पे a की वैल्यू हो चुकी है 25 और यहाँ पे 25 + 10 कर दो और उसको कर दो 35, तो c की वैल्यू 35, दिस इज रॉन्ग। ठीक है, जितनी देर तक स्टेटमेंट एग्जीक्यूट नहीं होगी अब वैल्यू अपडेटेड नहीं होगी। और सिमर इट्स क्लियर?
यस सर, ठीक है।
ओके बेटा। Now I'm doing one work here. If A, B, C is equal to 2, 8, 9. Now print A, B, C, and after that C, B, A equal to A, B, C, and print A, B, and C. Okay, students, tell me what will be the result? Yes, quickly give the answer. Yes, Himanshu. Himanshu voice is not audible, beta. Gaurav.
सर जो फर्स्ट कमांड में है ए की वैल्यू 2 है, बी की वैल्यू 8 है और सी की वैल्यू 9 है।
Okay, 2, 8, 9 will be displayed. After that,
और सर जो सेकंड
After
कमांड है उसमें सी की वैल्यू 2 है,
A
बी की वैल्यू 8
value
और ए की वैल्यू 9 है।
so what will be the output?
सर कैसे?
वेल आंसर क्या आएगा? What will be the output?
982.
Yes, it will be 98. Look at here. So 982. Next question is, if value of A, B, C is equal to 2, 3, 4, then A, B, C equal to what will be the result? Deepak,
468.
sir, I am executing this. It is 468. I think concept is clear. Okay, now next question is, I take one variable y is equal to 0x34. Now who will tell in which number system I have given the value? Yes, hurry up. Yes, Gaurav.
सर हेक्साडेसिमल.
Very good, beta. It is hexadecimal. That's why if I am giving here A, E, F, it is accepted because A, E, F are valid characters in hexadecimal. Look at here. These are accepted. Now next is 0B 101. Now tell me in which number system I have given the value. Himanshu.
Binary.
Yes, this is binary. Here 1 and 0, only two valid characters are there. If I am giving another a digit, it will generate error. Next is 0O 456. Now tell me in which number system I have given the value. Kinjal.
Sir, octal decimal number system.
It is octal number system. In an octal number system, the valid characters are from 0 to 7. Total 8 characters are there. If I am going to give another number like 8 or 9, it will generate error. Now, now tell me if I want to, I have one value, A is equal to 678. I want to convert this value into hexadecimal number system. Which function will be used? Yes.
Sir, if we want the hexagon value of A, then we will use function hex bracket A bracket close.
Hex A. So it will be convert this number into hexadecimal number because number is in a decimal. Now, if I am giving A is here 6, 7, 8, and I want to convert this number into octal, which function will be used? Hurry up, beta, hurry up. Deepak.
Oct function.
Yes, oct function will be used. Next is if I want to convert 6, 7, 8, the value of A into binary format. So which function is used? Yes, Gaurav.
Sir, bin.
It is bin function. So look at here, bin A. So it will convert the data into binary format. So this is all about your different type of data types. Now, one question for Jasmine. Jasmine, unmute yourself. Kinjal, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Kinjal, I have given here Dinesh Nanda. I want Dinesh Nanda will be display. I want to give the value in multiple lines. What is the, how is this possible? Multiple lines. I want to give the string value.
Sir, single quotes लगा के.
Single quotes, how many times?
Sir, 3 times.
Yes, 3 times. Dinesh, here Dinesh, and then Nanda, then 3 times single quotes or double quotes closed. Now, alternative to this. Who will tell? Alternative to this. Yes, any student? Himanshu?
Yes, sir.
Alternative of 3 times single quotes.
Alternative. सर alternate का मीनिंग क्या है एक बार बता दो मुझे वैसे.
बेटा डिफरेंट मेथड इसका एक दूसरा मेथड क्या है बेटा? सेकंड मेथड. किंजल?
Sir, by using oblique symbol.
Oblique means a slash symbol. Look at here.
Yes, sir.
Dinesh slash Nanda, then slash. It will be accepted. Okay. Oh, whole. Single quote Dinesh slash Nanda, then slash. That's single quote close. Sorry, single quotes close. Look at here. Now, difference between these. Yes, Hariya beta student, tell me. इनमें से किसमें दोनों में डिफरेंस क्या है? So look at here. If I take name equal to 3 times single quotes, Dinesh Nanda 3 times single quotes. So what will be the size length of name? It will consume 12 characters. But if I'm doing here name, then Dinesh slash Nanda, then single quotes close, then length of name will be 11. This is it, means the second method is will save 1 byte. Okay, student, time is over. Now I'm closing the meeting. Next week we will meet again and discuss some new topics. Okay, students, take care. Bye.